Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about abstract method and class. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed some of the object-oriented concepts. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so first we are going to understand what is abstract class and what is abstract method. Then we are going to understand what's the use of this concept. Now let's understand what is abstract class. If you write an abstract keyword before a class, then this class we call it as abstract class. So abstract class here, in this class we are having a method m1. So what's the meaning of abstract class? Means if you define a class as abstract class, you are not able to instantiate that class. Means you cannot create object for that class. That is what the meaning of abstract means, abstract class. So let's try to understand class A. Suppose in class test public static void main of, here we are going to create an object for class A. Above is the class A ob is equal to new A of. It is not going to execute because A is an abstract class. We are not able to create an object for the abstract class. So cannot create instantiate. Instantiation means creating an object. We cannot instantiate. That is what the meaning of abstract class. Now try to understand what is abstract method means. Let's say if you write a method, see here in this class A we are having two methods. M1 is one method, M2 is another method. If you write a keyword abstract before a method, then that method we call it as abstract method. For abstract methods, we are not going to define the body. Means logic is not defined. We are going to define only the signature. For abstract methods, we are not going to create the body. We are not going to define the body. We will define only the signature for the abstract method. So if in this class we are having two methods, one is M1, another one is M2. Out of these two, one method is abstract method. If you are having at least one abstract method, then that class should be abstract class. Why we need to define that class as abstract class? If you are having abstract method means there is no body for this method. Means if you create an object for this class, you are not able to use this method because there is no body for that method. So that's why you have to stop instantiating this class because abstract method is there. In order to stop that instantiation, we go with abstract class. That's why at least one abstract method is there, then definitely class should be abstract class. Then only accepted. Now try to understand what happens if you inherit the class A. Suppose class B extends A, means class B is going to inherit the class A. Whenever you inherit an abstract class, so this class B should definitely implement, means it has to write the body of the M2 method. It has to implement the method. It has to implement the method void M2 of System.out.println of M2 method written in class B. So it has to definitely do it. Then only this class B you can write that class because it is extending A. A is an abstract class. Now you can create object for this class B. Ob is equal to new B of ob.m1. M1 method is present in this abstract class. Yes, you can use it because it is not an abstract method. M2 method is implemented means you have written the body of the M2 here in class B. You can use that class using ob.m2 also. You can call that method. So this is what the concept of abstract class and abstract method. Now you need to understand what's the use of this abstract class and abstract method. Let's take an example, real life example. Suppose if you want to create a application for university, you are going to write a class like this, class university. So think about universities. So if you take any university, 80% of the logic means 80% of the methods are similar for all the universities. Only 20% of the logics will change. So in this situation, what happens in this situation? Suppose class university, we make it as abstract class. Why we are making it as abstract class? Let's try to understand. We are taking only two methods. One is tax method. Tax, finding the tax, calculating the tax is same for all the universities, because the finding the tax is dependent on government policies. So this logic is same for all the universities. That's why this method is the body of this method written here. It is not an abstract method. But finding the CGPA, calculating the CGPA for your marks is different for different universities. That's why this method is written as abstract. And finding the CGPA, this is the method which is required for any of the university. All the universities has to definitely write the logic for CGPA, finding the CGPA. That is compulsory method. That's why we have written as abstract method. So suppose see, 80% of the logic you already written here, 20% you made it as abstract, means this abstract class can be used by any application. Suppose Lovely Professional University, LPU, want to build an application for LPU. The same logic has to be applied. So that's why class LPU extends university. No need to write the code again. 80% already done. Remaining 20% is abstract methods. Definitely you have to implement, but your own logic. Class KL University extends university. So any application can use this. This is what the use of abstract class and abstract method. One more important point you need to understand at the end, the last example, abstract class A. In this class A, we are having M1 method and M2 method. M2 is an abstract method. Class B extends A. Class B is going to extend A. Suppose in your situation you don't want to write the logic of M2 method here in class B. You are writing only logic for M5 method. Some other method you are going to write. You are not allowed to, you don't want to write the logic of M2 here in class B. Then definitely this class B should be an abstract class, because you are not going to implement this abstract class here. Then you are not supposed to create object for this class, because this is not implemented. So that's why this class should be abstract class. Now take the continuation. Class C extends B. Now C has to implement all the abstract methods that present in the above two levels. Suppose this class B also having one more abstract method, M6, M2. So C has to implement how many abstract methods? Two abstract methods. One is M6 and the one is M2. So definitely it has to do it. If you don't want to do it, make it as abstract. If you want to do it here. All the abstract methods which available in the above two hierarchies, you have to implement them. So here we are having only one method, M2 method, abstract method. We are going to write the logic for this. Now you can define the object for this class C. Class test C OB is equal to new C of OB dot M2 of. You can call any methods. You can call M2, you can call M5, you can call M1. These are the concepts which we discussed in our previous classes, inheritance concepts. That's why we are not concentrating on it. So this is what you need to understand about abstract class and abstract method. Hope you understand these concepts. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.